Hey, we're back again. Today is another product review. If you're a koi hobbyist, we need to have a dechlorinator. So if we take out water and then add water, especially if you have a tap water or a city water, dechlorinator is very important. So I have a product that I've been using as a dechlorinator and it works well for me, so I'll be sharing it to you, and maybe if you are looking for one, this is a good product to try. The Web Water Garden tap water conditioner or the dechlorinator, I got this online and it's about $50 to $60 if I remember it right. All the direction and application are in the side of the container. Before adding this application, make sure to test first your tap water on how much chlorine per ppm do you have in your tap water. In my case, I have 0.5 ppm. So per application, the one fluid ounce only treat 1,000 gallon and remove 1 ppm. So you need to really make sure if you have 2 ppm in your tap water, that would be double the application or the amount you have to apply. My setup is I have a tote. It is a 250 gallon container. I usually add a tap water in here and store it for a week, and then when I'm about to change my or clean my filter and add additional water in my pond, I always test my ppm, chlorine ppm, and make sure that I'm adding the right amount of dechlorinator before I add it to the pond. You're wondering why I got this test kit. This particular one, I got it from Lowe's, and I believe you also can get some similar one in any pet supplies, and probably Amazon has it too. I believe they do. Per the volume of this particular container, I only need a 1 fluid ounce of the dechlorinator, and then I mix it with the water in this tote. Then after about an hour or two, I'm ready to add this water to my pond. And you might be also wondering, why do I need to wait 1 hour or two? As you can see, this water has been in the container for 7 days. So every weekend I clean my filter. I add a new volume of water in this container, and then I waited 7 days. Then I add a dechlorinator. So that is really, making it safe. Why am I doing this? Because I have a scenario before that I thought everything is good. Just because I added the dechlorinator, I can directly added that water that I already treated to my pond, but then my fishes suffered the consequence. Their skin got burned. So right now, what I'm doing is I'll wait 7 days. I don't care if it's too much of precaution, but that's what I've been doing. Better be safe than sorry. So this time I'm adding all that 250 gallon of water in the tote to my pond. So my pond is still green. I'm still trying to figure out how to get rid of the algae. Again, let's recap. This is the very important part. Make sure you know the amount of chlorine you have in your tap water in ppm, and make sure you follow your direction. And if you're not comfortable to do that, I suggest to store your water somewhere, like what I'm doing, to be safe. Thank you again for joining me, and we'll see you again next time.